Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to sell digital products on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Etsy if you haven't already done this step. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have categories where you can check out all of your categories. And we have the search bar where you can go and single-handedly search for single stuff. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell digital products on Etsy. So you'll need to go and follow these steps. To sell digital products, you need to research what kind of digital downloads are in demand and match your skill and interests. So that is the first step that you need to do. Then create your digital product using a preferred tool and software. Of course, you have to go and create that digital product so that you, of course, have it in the first place. Then set up your Etsy shop by signing into your Etsy account, choosing your shop preferences, and listing your digital products. After that, guys, promote your digital downloads by using keywords, descriptions, photos, social media, and other marketing strategies. And that will be that, guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.